Hey there everyone, this is Margaret and I am coming to you from Titusville, Florida. And first of all, I want to say I am filming this for a couple that put in a request to see this one. So thanks so much for requesting this one. Amazing home. Secondly, I want to thank Kristen Whipple. She is the list agent on this home, and she was kind enough to let us do this virtual tour so that I can take you around this absolutely gorgeous home. I'm going to start out by letting you know that this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home in Cita in Titusville. And as you can see, we're walking in the front door, and there is that gorgeous pool and golf course right out there in front of us. Couple things about the home. We are on 0.42 of an acre, which is amazing. You have plenty of space. Nice big rounded driveway in the front. We've got the 4 bedrooms and 3 bath, and then we also have a phenomenal office area. And we're going to dive right in, and as we go over here to the side, we are going to look at this office. And it is absolutely huge. Look at this. So very, very big, lots of space, nice walk-in closet in here, gorgeous built-ins on the side over here. Nice French doors coming in. And we're gonna cruise right around to the little closet that we have under the staircase. A lot more room in there. Got a guest bath downstairs here, so you've got the sink, the mirror. You do have a shower right here. And of course, this is the door to the outside of the pool. So isn't that amazing? You can walk right inside from that pool, hop in a shower, and get dried off before you go into the house. Now, look at this master bedroom. Heck, you could fit 2 entire master bedroom sets in here. Look at all this space we have going on here. That's crazy. And big double doors outside to the patio area. And of course, you've got a nice golf view and water view right here from the bedroom with that gorgeous pool out there. And again, look at all this space in here. I can't even explain how awesome it is. Now we are going to go towards the bathroom, and look at here. Huge closet, walk-in, lots of built-ins, and then even better, we have a second one. So you each get your own. And we're going to cruise on down here. Look at that cool tub we've got there. Isn't that awesome? And then double vanity. Each get your own sink. And then again, everything is big in this house. Look at that huge master shower. And of course, you got your linen closet and your water closet. Back through this gorgeous, huge master bedroom, passing the guest bath and the stairs, go back by the huge library or office, and there's our front doors again, just so you can kind of get a bearing on where we are. You walk in, and you could go to the left, go to the master suite and the library/office, or you can go to the right, and here we are in the formal dining room area. Again, very expansive, big area. Got some built-ins right there for some books. Nice view. Formal dining area here, which is huge. Look at that light up there. I love that light. And do have wood flooring through here. But plenty of room for an absolutely huge, huge table. And you know what? I have not seen one of these, so we're gonna look at that. Look, it's got the little cat faces on there to jump in there. Isn't that amazing? And a running cat water up here. This is pretty cool. Probably didn't go with the house, but I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, here's a couple shelves. You can get some statues or some cool stuff. You've got lights to accent that. And we go into this gorgeous kitchen. Now, it's gonna take us a second in here because I'm gonna show you all the cabinets, gas stove top, nice deep, deep sink, granite countertops, super nice on that. Those cabinets. Got an island here in the middle, and that island does have some cabinets as well. Love this idea with the spices. That is super cute also that they've got them stuck on the refrigerator like that. Never seen that done before. And nice little area here. You have double ovens, which is super cool. And then check this out. We have our specific little coffee bar area. Lots and lots of cabinet space. And this would be most people's formal dining room, but this is your eating kitchen. Look at that. Great area there. Into your family room. And of course in that family room we've got our fireplace. Lots of places to sit. And look, everywhere in this house you can see out that back and see the golf course and the pool, and we are saving that for last. So we will be out there in a bit, but check out this laundry room. Lots of space. Love the countertop in here. You can take your stuff out and fold, and then look at all these cabinets. Cabinets all across there, cabinets here. And for those of you interested in the garage, gorgeous garage, all freshly painted, looking good. And it actually gets deeper back there next to the door out, so plenty of room for storage. Plus you got plenty of room to park a couple cars in here. And check out that wall over there where you can hang all your stuff. Get a little closer so you can check it out. It's got those little holes in there with the little things so you can make hooks go in there. You can tell I'm a girl, right? Tools are not my thing, but hey, it's pretty cool for the guys, right? I'm sure there's some girls out there that like tools also. It's just not me. Anyway, one more look at this gorgeous kitchen. We're going to be coming back through here again after we go upstairs because we are going to go outside. Got some built-ins over there on the side as well. And now we're going to go cruise. That door right there just has a water heater in it, so I'm going to cruise up these stairs. I know it's not an exciting trip, but I'll give you a good view from up here as well. And the rest of the way up. Now, this got 3 huge bedrooms up here. Every one of them has a walk-in closet. Here is your upstairs bathroom. Double sinks again. Lots of cabinet space. Shower tub. And into the second huge bedroom. Another walk-in closet. And can't believe how big all these bedrooms are. It's crazy. All huge. Again, huge bedroom. And out our bedroom, we have a view of the pool and that golf course. The water out there in the middle of the golf course. And again, another huge walk-in closet. So, 3 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. Some view as we walk down the stairs. It's got like a double staircase, which is awesome. So you go up a few stairs and you kind of turn a corner and then you go up a few more. So it's not like it's a steep staircase, which is nice. Back through the living room, formal dining room area, and through the kitchen dining. look at the kitchen again from this side. A nice pass-through. And outside. And then isn't this cool? It's got a pass-through from your kitchen to the outside. You got your little sink out here. Nice big area. Lots of room for furniture and such. Gorgeous deep pool. Take a nice little walk around it so you can see it all. Got a step to sit on right here. A little bit of the surrounding area. See the water out in the middle. I see some golfers out there. Nice spa area with a little waterfall. Get you a good view of all your space up there by the house. This house also has accordion hurricane shutters to make it easy to protect yourself whenever a storm may be coming. Put some nice steps down into there for a gorgeous day out here. And back into the house. As you see, there are 3 sets of sliders. You can go outside to that gorgeous pool area from in here in the family room, or you can go from that formal dining room, or you can go from the master bedroom. So you do have some options as far as getting outside. So while we're standing here in the kitchen, I'm going to let you continue this view of the kitchen while I once again give a big shout out to Kristen Whipple. And if you would like to see your own private tour of this home, you can call Kristen or you can call myself, Margaret Klein, and we can get you in here for your own private showing. And just to kind of recap a little bit about the home, we do have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, plus that office, which could technically be a 5th bedroom if you wanted, did have a closet in there. We're on 0.42 of an acre, and we have golf footage along with that the pond views over there. We do have a 38 by 17 heated pool and spa area outside. Obviously have our granite countertops. We've got a gas log fireplace, vaulted ceilings. Just can't even begin to mention everything here. Lots of upgrades done in 22 and in 23. So if you want to see this home, please give one of us a call. And you have an awesome day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.